Keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super insane and it actually works. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get unlimited coins in Melon Sandbox or Melon Playground, whatever. So as you can see, this is the values. So when I press this button, I can go for unlimited coins. So I just turned it up all the way. So let's see if the coins go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version so you can get unlimited coins, because let's be real, who wants to spend money on this stuff? So as you can see, I've only got 2,000 right there, so let's see if it goes up. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, the coins are rising now, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version so you can get unlimited coins. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's pretty funny. So let's get onto the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, we go to the browser and we go to tweak mod, and then go to the search bar, and then you can type in like the name of the app. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in the thing. So let's just type Melon. So press install, and before it downloads, it's going to do like a verification where you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so you can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, and we should be all set. So as you can see, it's loading. So I'm just going to give it a minute to load. It's going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps from the list, as you'll see in a moment. So just pick some of these apps, do them, and you should be all good. You get the video. So that's how I get unlimited coins in Melon Playground. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.